Good day, everyone. Now you need to do some recording of audio, whether it might be for vlogging or for some project. And this is a simple budget option of where to start. This is the Fifine technology microphone and the BeLive pop filter. Both obtained on Amazon. The links will be in the description of the video. So I'm just going to start with the pop filter. So I'm going to put the microphone to the side and let's begin with the pop filter. So now the purpose of the pop filter, or pop screen as you may call it as well, is basically just to filter out certain sounds that you would have, or certain popping sounds that you would make if you're too close to the microphone. So that's overall its purpose. So yes. Okay. So we just have the instruction manual. So you have to check and see if it is damaged. The filter complete. Check and see if it's ever loose. Okay. Useful information. And your customer. Thank you. Well, you're welcome. And here we have the pop filter itself. Now, okay. Should I actually test and see if it's complete? Now you can see through it. That's supposed to be help prevent the popping sound. Okay, this is good. X. Okay. Easy to connect, I guess. Alright, so good. I'm just gonna put this to the side. And back to the Fifine technology microphone. So I don't need an unboxing knife today. I just got a lift, and here it is. Fifine technology. There's a K669 and K669B. Use the guide. You see it's different colors. Okay, so this is how it is. Shows you how to use it. Let's put this to the side and open up. So what is this now? Thank you for being a valued customer. Okay, so they're more or less outlining what they hope you can do. Product demonstration video in Fifine web that offers operation functionality if you ever want. So basically they're showing you what you need to, how you can basically find more information about this, which is pretty good. And let's see what else we have in here. It comes with a tripod. Stand it up. Let me just open this up. Okay, this is a sturdy little tripod. Okay, let's see. Let's screw on thing. How is this so weird looking? Oh, there we have it. And that's all that's in the box. So here we have the microphone, the USB type A port, and this is the part to connect to the tripod. So let's connect it. Hey. Okay. It doesn't seem to want to go into this hole. Okay. Alright. Seems to be fighting the process right now. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Okay. I don't know, it hasn't been screwed in fully, but it's been so tough. I might have to do this off at the camera. Alright. Good. Now, as you can see, you have the volume adjust, which is pretty useful to have it right there, so you don't, as you speak, you can just adjust it. Now for the pop filter, it's just basically to find a way to put it on. So you just find a way to connect it to the microphone, and well, once you figure out how to connect it, then it should be able to work well together. But as you can see, it's a good size. Basically means you can connect to any object, and I'll see if I can get this connected. Okay, so we're back, and I just quickly went in and installed it to show how it looks. Now, install it at the base here, just clip on, you can see. So you just open it up and close it back in, just install at the base. Now, I had to work this around to get it like this, but this is overall what you're trying to achieve. You're trying to get it in front of the mic, probably as close as possible, because you want to be as close as possible to the mic. Good. And you can talk into it. So it's very flexible, so it's very easy to get it like that. So this would be, I think this is a really simple design, and it should be a pretty good mic for using for audio purposes. Now in future videos, I'll probably do a test to see how it will go without any mic, with the clip-on mic, and with the Fifine technology mic as well. So this is just a simple, very fast unboxing. Would not be an overview this time, and I'm hoping to do the overview and comparison pretty soon. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell, and like if you appreciate this video. Thank you.